How to download and install God of War on PC. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into the video. For this, open up a browser and search for Steam Download. You need to have to install the Steam to download your God of War or any other gaming application that you want to in your PC. Select on the Install Steam button. Mind it will take a while to install your Steam on your PC. Once it is installed, make sure that you are signed in into your Steam account or create an account for your Steam. Once you are logged in the search bar, you can search for God of War. You will find various of edition and suggestion for the game. Select on the one that you want to download on your PC. As it is not age appropriate, you can select your birth date. If you are the age appropriate group, you can easily select on view page. Once you are in here to download on it, you have to pay a certain price. As you can see, it is $49.99. Select on add to cart. Now you can decide if it's for yourself or as a gift. Then tap on View My Cart. To purchase your God of War, you can enter any of the payment method that you find suitable for you. Once you are done with the payment, you'll be able to download and install your God of War. And that brings up to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.